What if reality is not what it seems? What if the universe is not a place you exist in, but a system you are running inside? For centuries, reality felt solid, predictable, permanent. But modern science has begun to uncover something disturbing. The universe does not behave like a natural object. It behaves like a set of rules. Rules that only exist when they are observed. At the quantum level, particles do not have fixed positions. They exist as probabilities. They decide what to be only when someone looks. Reality does not exist independently. It waits. This is not philosophy anymore. This is physics. The laws of nature behave less like discoveries and more like constraints. Speed has a maximum. Space has a minimum. Time moves in steps, just like a rendered environment. At the smallest scale, particles behave like pixels, discrete, quantized, on or off. At the largest scale, space itself bends and stretches like coded geometry. Even gravity behaves less like a force and more like information flow. This has led scientists to ask a question once considered impossible. Are we living inside a simulation? Not as science fiction, not as fantasy, but as a serious scientific hypothesis. If advanced civilizations can simulate worlds, and if those simulations can create conscious observers, then statistically, it is more likely that we are inside a simulation than the original reality. This idea changes everything. Because if reality is simulated, then matter is not fundamental. Information is. And if information is fundamental, then consciousness becomes the key variable. Consciousness may not simply observe reality, it may activate it. Experiments show that observation changes outcomes, not metaphorically, physically. Reality behaves differently when it is being watched, as if the system needs a witness to finalize the result. This raises a terrifying question. What is consciousness? No experiment has ever proven that awareness is created by the brain. Some theories suggest the brain is not a generator, but a receiver, tuned to something beyond space and time. If that is true, then consciousness exists outside the simulation, and the body is just an interface. If this is a simulation, then free will becomes the greatest mystery of all. Are our choices real, or are they pre-calculated possibilities that feel like freedom? Are we players, making decisions, or characters, following a narrative, or something else entirely? Some physicists believe randomness in quantum mechanics is not random at all. It may be the system recalculating. Others believe the universe conserves information like memory. Even black holes may not destroy data. They compress it. If reality is a system, then death may not be an end. It may be a transition, a logout, or a reset. This does not mean reality is fake. It means it is deeper than we were taught. And maybe the purpose of consciousness is not to escape the simulation, but to understand it. Because systems evolve when they become self-aware. Beyond reality is not about answers. It is about the questions you cannot unsee. Once you see the rules, you can never look at the world the same way again.